Slow down to slim down. The eating speed hack. Olivia. Ugh, Ava, I'm bloated again. My stomach feels tight, and I didn't even eat that much. Ava, you've been dealing with this a lot lately. Bloating, gas, and now, weight creeping up. Olivia, exactly. And don't get me started on my gums, they feel inflamed too. I think it's my toothpaste. Ava, it might not be your toothpaste. It could be how you eat, not just what you eat. Chapter 1, The Chewing Secret. Ava, tell me honestly, how fast do you eat? Olivia, like, really fast. I barely chew, just swallow and go. I'm always on the move. Ava, that's more common than you think. But here's the catch, eating too fast messes with digestion, makes you feel less full, and even harms your oral health. Olivia, wait, eating fast can mess with my teeth. Ava, yup, when you don't chew enough, your mouth produces less saliva. That saliva normally protects your teeth, fights off bacteria, and helps break down carbs. Without it, more acid, more plaque, more gum problems. Olivia, I had no idea chewing did all that. Ava, try this. Chew each bite 20 to 30 times. Not only does it help with digestion, less bloating, less gas, but it also lets your body actually use the nutrients you eat. Chapter 2, The 20-Minute Rule. Olivia, so, if I just chew more, my stomach will be fine? Ava, almost, but it's also about the speed of your meals. Here's a trick. Make your meals last at least 20 minutes. Olivia, why 20? Ava, because your body takes that long to send full signals to your brain. If you eat in 10 minutes, you'll still feel hungry even if your stomach's full. Olivia, so I'm overeating just because my brain's behind. Ava, exactly. Your stomach uses stretch sensors and special hormones like CCAK and GLP-1 to tell your brain it's full, but they need time to do their job. Chapter 3, The 3 Eating Hack Plans. Ava, here's the eating hack plan. 1. Chew every bite 20 to 30 times. 2. Put your fork down between bites. 3. Set a 20-minute timer if needed. It's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Olivia, okay, chew more, eat slower, less bloating, and better skin? Ava, better everything. Digestion, energy, and yes, weight control. It's one of the easiest changes with the biggest results. Ava, want to feel fuller without dieting? Try slowing down your eating today. Just 20 minutes and your body and your brain will thank you. Try it for 3 days and comment your results.
Like and subscribe for more science-backed health hacks. Thanks for watching.